Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So if this option weren't turned on automatically, you can manually do it. Let's go to the settings first of all. Then in this left section, scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Scroll all the way down too, and here we've got the OTG. So let's simply tap on it and then tap on this switcher, and from now on this option is active and you can use use this connection. If you wish to turn it off, you can either do it manually just by tapping on the switcher or simply wait 10 minutes because this option will turn off automatically after this time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.